Welcome to Expert Review. Expert Review is a web portal developed by TPS to ease the process of interview. There are two kinds of registrations you can do. Post your requirement to register yourself as a client, where you will be posting the jobs. Become expert to register yourself as an expert who will be conducting the interview for the candidates. First, we'll go through the client module. Click on post your requirement to register yourself as a client. Enter the details like client name, contact number, contact person name, and email ID and password to register yourself as a client. Client type is, there are two types of clients. One is client and recruiter. Client is an organization, whereas recruiter is an individual recruiter who can register himself as a client. Please make sure that you enter an valid email ID so that all future communications can be done through this valid email ID. Once your registration is done, you will get a notification, and an admin will get a notification to approve your registration in our database. Once the registration is done and it is approved by the admin, you can log into our portal using the login page. To log in as a client, please enter your registered details. Click on login button and you will see your job posting page. There are mainly three options for any client, and the self-assessment option and set interview options will be customized based on the plan a client is purchasing. The home page will display all the profile details or all the details regarding the client. Pricing and plan is the page where you will be buying our different kind of modules. JD page is the page where you will be posting the jobs. Self-assessment is a module where you will be assigning a self-assessment test for the selected candidates based on your requirement. Set interview is another module where you will be setting the interview for the internal experts. Pricing and plan. Click on pricing and plan, where you will be landed onto the page which explains all the plan details the expert review has. Enter the number of CVs and select a review type. Enter the contact person name and email ID and click on calculate order value to see the total value for that particular order. Before confirming the order, you can change any details you have entered here. Based on the review type you select during the job posting, the order value will be reduced. For the basic plan, you can post maximum of 10 resumes. When we say maximum of 10 resumes, it covers the resumes under all type of checks. That means you can post maximum of 10 resumes, combining the total resumes under the quick check, intermediate check and thorough check. If you wish to post more than 10 resumes but less than 50 resumes, you can select the premium plan type. And if you wish to post more than 50 resumes but less than 100 resumes, please select the plan type as a standard plan. And if you have a plan to post more than 100 CVs, you can directly contact Expert Review Sales at expertreview.com. Once you place the order, and work order details document will be sent to you through the email, and our admin will approve your work order so that you can use that work order to post any JD or the job description. Click on the JD option to post your job. Click on the work order, which will show only the active work orders. Once you click on the work order, you will be seeing the total number of available balance against the work order, and if you select the type of the check, based on that you will be notified to post how many resumes you can upload under this work order. To post a new job, click on the post new job, enter the job code, enter job name, and select the type of interview. There are two kind of interviews currently we have. These are face-to-face and telephonic. Select the interview type, then select the candidate skill you are looking for. Select the candidate's strength under each skill and click on the forward button to make sure that you have selected the proper skills. If you wish to move any skills from the candidate skill list, you can select that particular skill and you can click on the backward button which will be removed. Then enter the details of the job for the candidate you are looking for. Then select the type of the review you are having or you are planning to post the job under. For example, if you select quick check and when you are having a balance of $855, you can post maximum of 19 resumes under this work order. And if you select intermediate check, you can post maximum of 13 resumes. To have a detailed idea about the quick check, intermediate check and thorough check, you can go back to your pricing and plan page where all the calculations are shown properly. Once the resumes once the review tab has been selected, upload the files of the candidates. Before uploading, make sure that you have put all the files under a proper place. Select all the desired candidates' resume and click on the set interview date and time button. Once you click on this, these resumes will be posted and you will have an option to set the desired date and time of interview for each candidate. Once the resumes are saved, you can set a desired time of date and interview time for that particular candidate. If you have selected our self-assessment module, you will see a checkbox where you can assign a self-assessment exam for the particular candidate. If you have not purchased our self-assessment exam, or if you do not wish the candidate to take the self-assessment exam, directly click on submit button to finish your job posting. Once this job is posted, admin will assign the jobs for the experts based on the skills you have selected for the candidate and based on the expertise of the expert. The self-assessment module is a unique module where you can assess a unique test for each candidate or for the selected candidates before they take an interview with the experts. In the self-assessment module, you have 4 options: prepare questionnaires, view questions, self-assessment, and view result. Prepare questionnaire is a page where you can set an assessment type or the string of the candidate. Then you can set assessment type. Then you can set the question type where you can select objective questions, descriptive questions, or programming questions. And for each questions, you can set the marks that candidate will be getting for the right answer. Once it is set, once the questions and answers are set, you can preview those all questions and answers in the view questions part. Here too, you can filter the questions and answers based on the assessment type. Then set assessment. This is the place where you will be setting assessment for the candidates. Here all the assessment types you have saved will be shown. The options auto and manual are the options you will be giving to select the questions either automatically or manually. If you select auto, the questions will be picked from the selected assessment type and the selected objective type automatically. That means if you have selected Java and objective, all the questions related to Java of objective type will automatically selected. And if you go for descriptive questions, you can there too have two kind of options to set the or to select the questions, auto and manual. Same rules apply for programming as well. Once it is set, you can select the JD under which you want to set these assessments. Then you can give a name or a descriptive name for that particular assessment. You can set the exam date, you can set the duration of the exam or the self-assessment, and you can set a time interval between which candidates should take the assessment. Once these are set, candidate will be allowed to log into our portal temporarily so that they can take an exam and they can submit their answers, which will be reviewed by yourself before asking them to go for the next set of interview. And in the view result, you can see the result of each candidate. There are 4 options basically to filter the result so that you can easily see the candidates details. Once you have filtered out the results, you can set them the second level interview for the candidate based on your requirement, or you can neglect the candidate. The set interview is a module specifically designed to set the interview between the candidate and your internal expert. Internal expert is the expert whom you will be setting or who will be registered through our portal under your profile. To edit your profile, click on the profile image here and you will be seeing all your details. You can upload your image and you can change only few fields like the address and the zip code and the country and state. You can update your profile as and when you wish. The home page is the page where you can display your all the details in a read-only mode. Here there is an option to create a link for your internal experts to get registered. Once this link is created, you can pass this link to all your experts so that they can register under yourself and you can have the interview for them. And under the interview details, you can see all the set interviews for the candidates. Here too you can set you can filter the result based on the job description or based on the job code or based on the closed jobs or in progress jobs. In progress jobs is the jobs where the interview has been set but not yet been closed by the experts. Add delete user is another module where you can add your user so that they can post any kind of jobs under your profile. And change password is the page where you can change your password regularly to be secure. So this ends our quick walkthrough module. In another video.